Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory camera, and also at first we remove the factory tail light, the one stay on top of the factory camera from the Toyota ESTIMA AERAS, 2004 S series 3.0. So basically we start with pulling the part, the cover inside of this tailgate, the plastic cover, and then remove 6 of the 10mm nuts over the 10mm bolt here, and try to push this lines from the inside to outside. And basically we need plastic trim remover to slide over the edge and slide over the edge of this one, and it will come into a long bar like this from the left to the right and attach to the other side. Okay, so we need to gently detach it and push it out like this. Okay, and after that disconnect the cable here, and you actually look at the bottom here, it has 2 legs, the hook legs like this, so it stay like this one in and folding in and screw in. So we need to remove the screw as before and then fold it from inside to outside direction, and then it will eventually come out. But you need another hand to hold it like this. Okay, hold along to the other right side, because you don't want to break this long piece which actually stay right on top of the number plate over here. And yep, gently with the plastic trim removal tool you can remove this part out, and now you can remove the whole piece, long piece, out of the car. Okay, that's the tail light, and yeah, just put it away, and then now you see the hole over here, and you can gently pull this one and push this one out, and then you can access into the factory camera here and replace it with the new camera that we are doing, like what we are doing. And you can see that's the tail light already removed safely. Okay, the long bar along here is the one that I mentioned, need to be gentle and careful to remove. So it's all good. Now we can start doing the camera replacement and other things. So yep, thank you and see you soon in another one.